We are now going to practice the chorus of Despacito for the recorder show. If it wasn't for the recorder show, then I don't know what I would be doing with this instrument. It would be very strange. I just like to keep it around. I love you so much. Oh, hello. Let me see how I look with a recorder belt mustache. Yes, hello. All right. So, Despacito, you should have the music from class. It's in that extra recorder packet. It's right here. It should look like this. We're not going to sing any of the words for Despacito. They're a little inappropriate. But we will be playing Despacito because I know you guys love that song. And the whole school will love hearing the song. They will freak out. So let's practice. Let's go through all the notes and the fingering. Remember, we need that F note. And F is like D, low D, except lift up that bottom, lift up your bottom middle finger. It doesn't have to go out here. Don't put it all the way out here because you still want it close. So lift up your bottom middle finger, and that's F. So let's do the first two lines. I'm gonna play it first. I'll play it first so you hear what it sounds like, okay? Try to play along if you want. I'm gonna do it slow. Here we go. Third line, low E. Repeat from the third line. All right, let's break it down. Let's break it down. We'll break it down. Come on. Starting with the C. So let's sing the notes and do the fingering first because I know you love doing this, but it really does help you play it later, I promise. So we're going to sing the note names and do the fingering. Ready? So we're starting on C. Here we go. C, B, A, E, 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 A, G, A, G, A, F, 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 A, B, C, G, 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 C, 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 D, D, B. Again. C, B, A, E, 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 A, G, A, F, 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 A, B, C, G, 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 C, 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 D, D, B. Should we try to play that? Let's do it. Ready? 1, 2, here we go. Repeat. That's half of it. Now let's do the second half. So we are on low E, low D. Remember your F. And then there's that other note that comes up where you can play either F or low C. Just play the F. It'll just be easier to stay on that, okay? So let's do singing the notes and doing the fingerings. So we're just going to sing the notes and do the fingering. So low E is E. I'm going to sing it up here. E. Here we go. Ready? E, D, E, D, E, D, E, D, E, D, E, F, F, F. F, 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 G, F, E. E, 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 G, F, E, D. We're going to repeat that from the third line. Here we go. E, D, E, D, E, D, E, D, E, D, E, F, F, F. F, 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 G, F, E. E, 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 G, F, E, D. Up to C. C, B, A. So we'll hold the A at the end. So the notes don't really change that much, so it's going to be really important to make each note sound t, 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 individual, like you're singing the song in your head, because the kids in the audience are going to be singing the songs in their head, and you want to make it sound as close to the melody of the real song and the rhythm of the real song as we can. So let's try it now from that third line, from the E, D, E, D, E. Ready? 1, 2, here we go. Oh no, I made a terrible mistake. If that happens at the show, just keep going. But I'm starting it again. Here we go. 1, 2, here we go. I think we should try it with the music. I really tried to slow it down. Hold on. Let me find the track. Let me find the track. I saved it into my old iPhone. I think I slowed it down enough for you. Oh, I have a very slow version. Let's see how the very slow version is. Hold on. It's going to be fast. All right, so hold on. Let me go forward to where we need to be. Because I'm going to probably start it like right before we play. Hold on. Alright. Get ready! And it'll cut right to the end, so that when we I don't know why I'm yelling, so it'll cut right to the end of the song and do Despacito, no toe. There'll be no toe at the end. Do you want to hear the fast version? This is like the regular speed version. Hold on. I mean, I'm happy to play it at this version with you guys if you want to learn it and really practice it and play it this fast, but it's going to be pretty fast. Hold on. I don't know if I can play it this fast. I'm going to try. Here we go. And then we'll pause the music so everybody can get their oxygen tanks because we'll be out of breath on that one. I don't think we should do the very fast version, but I think we'll be okay with the other version. Practice it. As fast as you guys can do it, that's the version that we'll do. So it's totally up to you. But remember, there's no toe at the end. We have our own toes. Oh, let's do that at the end. Or not.